Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So I'm Danielle. I'm a blogger and content creator over at basichousewife.com, where I talk about gift guides, shopping guides, subscription boxes, all of that stuff. And on this channel, I like to do a lot of product and subscription box unboxings, and so that's kind of what you can expect. And today we have one that I have been wanting to try for a really long time, and I finally ordered my first box. I'm so excited about it, and that is the TheraBox. So if you aren't familiar with TheraBox, it is a monthly self-care subscription box. Inside every box, you're gonna get 6 to 8 full-size items. And one of the coolest things is that the items in this box are curated by therapists. So you know that you're getting like genuinely good items that help promote self-care and mindfulness. So the idea behind this box is to help unwind, relax, de-stress, which is all honestly things that I really need, which is why I've been so excited to try this box. I finally ordered my first one. I genuinely have no idea what to expect. I personally don't know anyone who's had this box, so I don't know what to expect in terms of items and stuff like that. I do have a full review of TheraBox on my website, so if you want to learn more in terms of pricing, how the membership works, all of that, there is a link down in the description, so you can check that out below. But I don't know about you, I'm done chit-chatting. I just want to open this thing and see what's inside, so let's go. The box alone is so cute. Treat yourself, let's get social. It's got some links, some hashtags, and right on top we've got a little pamphlet. So it's got all of the items listed. Ooh, my gosh, is this all the stuff I'm gonna? I need to stop looking. I need to stop looking. Okay, it's very cutely packaged. I love this. You can tell they like take their time with it. I'm gonna have so many beanies this year because like every single box I've gotten comes with a beanie. Oh my gosh, FabFitFun, Beachly. I think my All True one is coming with a beanie. So we'll be well stocked. The first thing we have is the Winter Brand Signature Beanie Plus Mask Set. What? Oh my gosh, this is a face mask. Okay, well first let's put the beanie on. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This thing is very thick, really nice. And then it's like fleece lined. I've never had a fleece lined beanie before. I'm gonna get makeup all over this thing. What do we think? What do we think? It's a little snug on my head, and I don't have a very big head, so I don't know what that says. But this is like a face mask, and there's buttons on the hat that it attaches to. I don't want to put it on because I have makeup on. I don't want to get this thing full of makeup, but I don't know if I'm going to use the face mask portion. It says that, I mean, obviously with like COVID, there's that, but it also just says that it will help keep your face really warm and bone chill in winter, which is true. It is true. It will. Okay, next. This is an apricot cleansing oil. So this is Dirty Lamb Apricot Cleansing Oil. This retails for $42. Melt the day and excess sebum and makeup away to give your face the ultimate cleanse it needs after a busy day. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's got a little spout. Interesting. I like the size of this thing. This thing is huge. I still haven't tried a cleansing oil. I've gotten a couple of them and I'm very intrigued by them, but I have yet to try one. All right, next we have steam masks. Steamy self-warming steam eye masks. Ooh, I like that. These disposable heated eye masks act as a convenient solution to tired, stressed out eyes and even offer anti-aging skincare benefits by reducing the appearance of wrinkles and dark circles. I need the dark circles for sure. The mask heats up instantly once it's exposed to air, so be sure you're ready to use it when you open the package. That's so interesting. So how, okay, it's just one eye mask. Oh, and you like wear it over. Do you see that? You like wear it over your whole eye. I've never seen anything like this, let alone tried it. So I'm definitely super curious. what's this? Oh, this I need. I'm so excited for this. This is a 3 Ships lip treatment kit. It retails for $30. It comes with the vanilla lip exfoliator and the buttercream hydrating lip mask. This powerhouse duo will give you wondrous lips all season long. Yeah, I need that. I don't know why I have notoriously dry lips. Like, just so dang dry. I'm applying stuff constantly. Okay, the packaging is so cute. So here's each of them. Oh, it's got a thingy on it. Oh, so that's the exfoliating scrub. You can kind of see it's a little textured. It looks like a sugar scrub and it smells heavenly. That's the vanilla. And then this is the buttercream mask. Oh gosh. That's really nice too. Just kind of a classic cream mask. I'm so excited. You know what? We're gonna try the mask right now because I'm a firm believer that you can wear a lip mask all day in replace of a lip balm. It feels really nice and silky. I like it. Definitely my favorite item so far. I'm really excited for this. Okay, then we have another mask. This is the Leave Me On Winter Mask from MUDMASKY. This retails for $45. That's pretty nice. Overall, the retail value of these items is really good. So it says the Leave Me On Winter Mask has been recommended and used by thousands of doctors worldwide. Doctors and medical staff use this super nourishing leave-on mask under the surgical mask to prevent scars, rashes, and acne, better known as maskne. That's really interesting. I'm so curious to try this. I've been trying to get better about using masks more frequently. Like, I've been using under eye masks a couple times a week. I've been trying to mask at least once a week, which may or may not sound like a lot to you, but it's like a vast improvement from what I was doing before. And I've noticed a difference in like how hydrated my skin is feeling. So I want to keep going down that path and getting better and better about it. So yeah, I'm very excited to try this. There's all sorts of little goodies in here. So this is the little package. I think this is a ring. Happy Shop I Am Enough ring. It says I am enough, or you are enough. Okay, that is so pretty. So this is what it looks like on. And it's like very hard to focus on it, but it does say I am enough on there. I'm gonna keep that on. I love that. That's so sweet. All right, and then we have the Dr. Botanicals Cocoa Noir Facial Serum. This retails for $80. So this literally just does everything and anything. It says that it is to even skin tone while firming and plumping, promotes hydration for healthier looking skin, reduces uneven skin tone and visible blemishes, not tested on animals, 100% vegan. It literally is like a super serum, so I'm very excited for that. Lastly is the Chapters Gratitude Journal. This retails for $30. So it comes in a little box. Let's open it up. Oh, this is so cute. It opens like this. So it's a self-reflection journal. Wow, the quality is stunning. So you can see here, it's so pretty. It's got a nice little book ribbon. Pages feel really thick. So it says this is a personal coach in book format with powerful questions and inspiring stories that spark positivity. Experience a breakthrough in relationships, mental well-being, an increased sense of togetherness and belonging in the world with this guided chapters journal. I'm definitely excited to try this. I've never been very good about like tracking gratitudes or just like my mood and emotions in general. So I think this is something that's really gonna help with that because it's something I've always wanted to do. So yeah, the quality of this is stunning. I mean, this is much better than anything I would have probably picked out for myself. So that is everything included in my TheraBox for December. I really, really enjoyed it, and I'm planning to get it at least for a couple more months just to see what else to expect out of this box. But overall, I really enjoyed it. The quality of items was great. The retail values were totally worthwhile for what I paid for this box. So overall, I would recommend this, especially if self-care is something that you want to make a priority in 2022. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Stay tuned because I'll have another TheraBox unboxing next month. And other than that, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.